Are you facing the couldn't add error while trying to connect YouTube or Facebook to your TikTok profile on your iPhone? This issue usually happens due to internet problems or app glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the couldn't add error to link other social accounts to your TikTok account. So, let's get started. Before going ahead, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload the TikTok app. First, open up Settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go ahead and check the issue. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Now go ahead and check the issue. If the issue still remains, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app again. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then, enter the passcode of your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then follow my last solution. Solution 3. Report a problem. Open up the Safari browser. Type in search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the category drop-down menu. Select Features Suggestions. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, Dear TikTok team, I can't link my Facebook or YouTube link to my TikTok profile. Please help me to solve this issue. Then attach a screenshot of your problem, and then checkmark both the boxes and hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. And this is the way to fix the couldn't add error to link other social accounts to your TikTok account on your iPhone. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.